Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here. So I have a haul from a couple of shops that I don't PR for, but I wanted to show you what I got real quick. So this one is from BlankSlateStickers. It took a while to get here, but I'll explain. And then this is from Beadaholic94. I don't remember the last numbers, but Beadaholic. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open this first. She's a charm shop, a planner charm shop that I get goodies from. So let me show you. Oh, I have a ticket, which I didn't even know I had in there, so I'm guessing that's already been drawn because I've had it for a while. But she makes a lot of her charms with tassels, and I don't really care for tassels, so she usually takes them off for me. So she did. I don't think this one came with one, but I thought it was a cute little pumpkin for fall. And then it just has green and orange beads, and then she put an L and an R for my initials on there, which I thought was so sweet of her to do. And then it's one of those bigger clips, which is kind of fun, so I think that'll be nice and sturdy. And then I also really liked this one. I forget what the name of this one is called, but there's like a wine, rose, and heels. I think it might be called Ladies Night, but I honestly got it because the rose looks like my rose for my planner clips that I use. So that's why I even picked this one out. I just thought it was so cute. So yeah, so that's from her shop, and I got it on this chain so that I could use it on my happy planner. So that's a lot of fun. And then so I got two different clasps, I guess is what I'm gonna call those. So make sure you check out her shop and then tell her that I sent you. All right, so move those to the side. So these are the sticker kits from BlankSlateStickers. I ordered them on a $5 Friday, and they were basically like, it was, her ship time was like 2 to 3 weeks. Oh no, stuck to it. Her ship time was like 3 weeks or something like that. And so I was like, okay, because she does $5 Fridays, so I'm sure she gets really busy and it takes a while to get out orders. And so on like the Sunday before it was supposed to be, it was like right at 3 weeks, and I got a notification, but then like the tracking never updated. So I sent her a little message saying, what happened? I hope I didn't get lost. And I guess it just didn't get mailed out. So she went ahead and mailed it out, and then comped me for the issue or whatever, but I was fine with it. I still got my stickers. It was still a really good deal. And I've gotten stickers from her before that she wanted me to haul to like promote her shop. So I ordered from her this time, and this is what I got. So this is her sampler freebie. As it says, movie marquee, quarter box, a half box, and then like a little circle box, which is kind of fun. That's cute. And now my cat is going nuts over plastic wrap because she's a weirdo. Okay, so this one, I forget what it's called, but it's like a football one. So I actually did this one. I bought this one because I got inspired by it to make my pink glittery football. So that's why I did it. I also thought football was happening at my school. We just went to our first football game. It wasn't our first home game. That one, like, the party before it got canceled, and so my supervision got moved, so I went later. But homecoming is coming up. I think it's like October 12th or something, so I think I might use this for that week. Plus I like to do a pink out month in the month of October, and so does our football team. They'll do a pink out game for breast cancer awareness, so I thought this would be kind of fun. But this isn't like a breast cancer awareness kit, it's just pink and football. So I think it's great for using for football and October and breast cancer awareness. So I think I will use it for that as far as that goes. So there's the full boxes and checklists and functionals. And there's the heart checklist, full boxes. And then here's the washi tape with the cute pink bow. Yes, most definitely going to have that. All right, so I'm super excited about that. And there's going to be date covers, and I love this pink plaid and the Monday through Sunday sticker. And then a ton of quarter boxes and half boxes. All of the headers I like, and then these are all little things. I'm wondering, I got someone that messaged in the note to seller to me to ask me for functional / half boxes, and I wasn't sure if they were talking about these, or functional / quarter boxes, which I think that they were talking about these. I call these littles. I call them littles. So I don't know if you guys call them functional quarter boxes. I mean, I guess they're about the same size. Anyway, I just thought it was funny how we all call different things. So that's that kit. Let me flip it forward so I can have, I like to have the full boxes on the front. so I know what the kit is when I'm like flipping open my planner. So this one, I forget what this one is, like fall critters or something. But I really liked this one as well. Inspired doing my, where is it? I'm gonna sneeze. Huh? Ooh, he jumped over here. Okay, so here is the little fall fox, what to go with this fox. And I do have a little hedgy girl to go with my little hedgy girl. And then I just made this last week's new releases is a little raccoon. So I have a raccoon. I don't have a bear. I currently don't have a bunny. Bunny usually comes out around Easter, and I haven't done a bear in a long time because usually I do the bears that are kind of complicated. So anyway, so I'll be using that kit. You're probably going to see that video actually before you even see this haul video, but still super cute to show you guys. So I love all the fall colors, the orange, the greens, the dark teals, the yellows. And then this leaf bottom washi is just so beautiful. And she does include the extra chunk if you need it. And then here's the quarter boxes and all those half boxes. I love the variety of half boxes that she gives you with the 2 checklist half boxes. Okay, and then here's the headers, and I call littles, but maybe you call functional quarter boxes, which I like. I honestly like functional quarter boxes better. Maybe I'm converted to calling them that now. But I wasn't sure if she meant she wanted functionals and quarter boxes, or if she meant those. So that's where I got a little confused, and I was like, I hope I understood what you meant. So I sent her what I had. Anyway, so that's my haul from Beadaholic and from Blank Slate Stickers. I hope you guys like it. I was actually looking for, yeah, my cat ran away with the packaging, for the package on this one, but I believe it's Beadaholic94. I think that's right. All right, so thanks for watching. Bye, guys.